There's a picture on the dashboard in the sun to remind the kids of just how far they've come. Through the glass, the silent fields bow down to trees to distract them from the pain of their stiff knees. They're a unit that'll last, a few humans, a shared past full of arguments they're too proud to take back. Passing trucks, growing up, riding lines, chasing lights, driving night above, burning night because the road's a friend, it never ends. Passing trucks, ooh, 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 minutes turn to hours, turn to tears. The waiting disentangles all their fears. There's a staleness in the air that only earned its right to be there after years of running through the same pairs of lungs. And when quiet time takes hold, they roll their heads back over towards the landmarks they're exploring on their own. Passing trucks, growing up, riding lines, chasing lights, driving night above, burning night because the road's a friend, it never ends. Passing trucks, ooh, 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 passing trucks.